Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, the Aussie dollar has definitely been going down pretty strong, as you can see. We do have a couple options here. Option number one is that this is like more like a running correction and it makes a higher low and continues up for the wave Y. Or this is possibly going to turn into an expanding correction, which would go down and take out all these lows before it actually turns up and makes the wave Y. Either way, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this trend is definitely still down. We do not have any reason whatsoever to say that this trend is back up. And the fact that it's closing below the 78% of this last push up makes me think that this move up is just another correction to the downtrend, and that it is most likely going to go down and at least take out the previous lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame, yes, we are going up a little bit on the daily, but for me, I would have to see price go all the way up here and break this high right here for this to be the end of a trend. I think this move up right here is probably just going to be another correction to the last move down, and we're probably going to get another lower high eventually and just keep on trending down. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, yes, it is very impulsive up, but unless it goes way up here, the trend is definitely down on all of our higher time frames. If anything, I would expect this move up right here probably just to be another correction to these last moves down. I would expect to probably see another three-way pullback, probably another ABC type correction, and more than likely another push to the downside, especially because we are closing so hard below that 78% Fibonacci retracement. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, let's get rid of that real quick. So on the 1 hour time frame, definitely impulsive up, but I definitely assume that this is a wave A. At some point, which it doesn't have to happen now, at some point it probably will go back down for like a wave B, and I think it's going to go back up for a wave C. But I still think that the trend is down on the higher time frames, and I think that we still have more movement to the downside on the higher time frames. So that's why I'm expecting that this will be an ABC correction, and I'm expecting that eventually it will end up continuing back down. I don't think it's going to continue down today, and honestly, it needs to make a nice proper three-way pullback before I would be interested in going short anyways. But if I do see this three-way pullback, I definitely will continue to look for shorts at the end of these three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.